Nature's remedy, pineapple Ananas camosus, cultivated in tropical countries including India. Nutritionally, it's highly energetic. Rich in minerals like manganese, potassium and vitamin C, and the enzyme bromelain. Best time to eat, before or after meals. Morning or before a workout. Health benefits. Relieves joint and muscle pain due to its anti-inflammatory effect. Reduces osteoporosis effects. Useful in arthritis and sports-related injuries. Aids digestion through bromelain. Manganese magic for bone health, improves bone formation and density. Boosts immunity with high vitamin C, improves and protects white blood cells and lymphocytes. Pineapple's alpha-hydroxy acids help soften skin. Fight wrinkles and shed dead skin on elbows and heels. Hydrates the body, restores immune system during fever. Moderation is key after consumption. Rinse mouth with water and brush teeth. Always purchase ripe pineapple. For more, watch it Prifmwani.